Um, this is how we navigate MS365. So let's go to ms365.com. Isa, isa, 19 lagi ni. Naman daw. Parang siguro ni. Let's go. Um, we need to sign in. So since I have already an account, so nakalagin na tayo. In here, we navigate here with these multiple dots on the side or the left side. So ito yung mga apps within Microsoft 365. So Word usually ito yung dito tayo nagda-draft ng mga memos, files, resumes, invoices, or anything. So yes, let's navigate. So ito sa upper part, ito yung tinatawag na ribbon usually. So dito ka makakahanap ng mga options or yung mga kailangan mong gawin, which is editing the font, the sizes, changing colors, doing highlights. So dito yan. Example, let's type right. So, gawin mong bold, italic, and make it bigger if you want. So dito naman sa Excel, usually ito yung ginagamit ng mga analyst, most especially when interpreting data. So let's put some data here. For example, ito, lagyan natin. Yan natin. So yan. So here we can easily count data kung ilan. Example ito. So highlight mo lang. Ayan. Bakit? Kung hindi mo good day, puro din nila hindi ko at wala din siya yung karoon eh. What happened? Bakit? Ano count pala? So you can easily count the number of data that are here. So zero pa rin ang lumalabas. I don't know why. So, manual na lang natin. I don't know. So, maybe dito na lang sa Excel. So, example dito, navigate lang natin. Pivot table. So, count natin yung mga numbers. So, ito yung lahat ng shipment. Number ng shipment. ID ito. So, we have 529 na data there. So, lagay natin is Count order. So, so ito yung lahat. For example, marketplace, standard express, and standard express. So makikita mo yan dito sa order account, which is the column A. So basically, Excel is what we use in narrowing down, interpreting data. So, for ito naman for PowerPoint, usually this is where we do or where we do the creating a presentation, especially during college. Dito tayo gumagawa ng reports here. So, let's ano na lang a template. Sample, ito. Presentation, let's edit na lang the title. Example, social studies. Then, just have to duplicate. Edit mo lang, for example, dito ka na maglalagay. Example, chapter 1. Insert ka lang ng text box here. Type ko na yan. Gmail report mo. So, that's basically so ito, this part is also called the ribbon. So marami tayo dyan mag-insert ng pictures. Sample ito, lagay natin. We just have to put text box there. Ano yung ilalagay mo. So since hindi kita lang sa phone, and always we change the color. Let it be black and white. Ayan. Hello. Please come on, sir. Ask the pyramid.